How to convert PDF to JPG. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can convert our PDF file into a JPG file. So let's just get started and look on how to do that. So if you want to convert your PDF file into JPG, you can head over to preferred browser and type in convert PDF to JPG, and you'll be finding different results. I'm clicking with the first one. So you can also use up this same link. So you can find the select PDF files option when you go to this section. All you need to do is go ahead and select up the folder that you want to convert it into JPG. After that, click on open, and when you do that, you will be finding this option. So click on the first option that says paste to JPG and select high if you want high quality. After that, convert it, and once that is done, you can just download it onto your device. You can click on this download JPG Images and it will start downloading onto your device. Once it is downloaded, you can just go ahead and open it up onto your device and you'll be finding your JPG file right here. You can find this. So that is it. That is how you convert your PDF into a JPG file. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.